Alright folks, I'm going to show you how we'll be resetting your maintenance light as well as like your oil light on a Mazda CX-5 from probably about the 2018 to about the 2023. First thing you want to do is just go to your push start if you have it and press the button twice. You don't have to have your foot on the brake doing this. Then what you want to do next is come up to your screen right here if you can see. So yeah, next when your screen comes on, you want to go down to your little knob right here and you want to turn that knob until your screen goes all the way over to your applications. And once you get there, what you want to do is press your applications. Then when you see this screen right here, you want to go to vehicles status monitoring, press that one. Then from there you'll see maintenance. You want to press your maintenance, and then from this one you'll see at the very bottom which will say oil change. Go ahead and press your oil change right there. Then you'll see at the very bottom, you'll see reset. You want to go ahead and reset, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to reset your oil change? So you want to make sure you only do this after you have your oil change. That way it sets back to the correct setting. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and hit reset. And once you hit that, you're pretty much done. And your oil life will be reset as well as your maintenance. And a lot of times what that'll do is just cause this little, you see that little maintenance wrench right there, almost will go off, especially if that's your issue while your little maintenance wrench is on right there. So resetting your setting on a Mazda CX-5 after you get your tires rotated, you want to come over here to your app, which will be over to your far left. Press that. Then you'll see vehicle status monitoring. You want to go ahead and press that. Then you'll see maintenance. Go ahead and press your maintenance. And from there you'll see tire rotation. Go ahead and press that and you'll get a screen right here that show you some different things, distance and all that. So go down to your reset. And all you got to do is hit reset. And it'll ask you, are you sure you want to reset your rotation? Make sure you only do this if you've already had your tires rotated. That way it can keep track of the next time it needs to be done. But once you get to this screen, just go ahead and press reset. Just like that, and pretty much you're done. This is how you would rotate your tire on a Mazda CX-5 from probably about the 2018 up until about the 2023. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.